There is a metal crossover pipe that distributes the coolant to various lines and hoses in the vehicle. The pipe runs across the front of the engine compartment between the radiator and the engine. To access it and many of the coolant hoses, you will need to remove the air filter, the air box, air flow meter, and the turbo pipe. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. You will need to remove the manifold air intake tube to get access to the coolant hoses and crossover pipe on the left side of the motor. Use a flathead screwdriver and remove the 4 hose clamps and the hoses attached to the tube and remove the tube from the vehicle. There are 3 lines attached to the fluid expansion tank, red arrow, plus the overflow line by the cap. If you are replacing these lines, you must drain the expansion tank first. With the air box and intake tube removed, you can see the metal pipe that the coolant line's attached to, red arrow. It is possible to remove and replace this tube, but it very rarely gets damaged except as a result of an accident. When replacing hoses, you will need to drain the coolant down to the level below where the hose is that you are replacing. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video on coolant, flush, fill, and bleeding. All the hoses on the 951 are held in place by traditional hose clamps. All you will need to remove and replace the hoses is a flathead screwdriver. If you know that you are replacing the hose and that it has corroded onto the pipe fitting, you can cut the old hose with a razor blade, clean the fitting, and then install a new hose. This diagram shows all of the coolant hoses on the 951. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.